You thought you understood the flood control scandal, but the key witness just blew the whole story open. Bakit kaya siya nagsalita noon? At bakit ngayon lang niya sinasabi ang totoo? Orly Gutesa, retired Marine, former security guy ng ex-lawmaker Zaldico, was the one describing alleged cash deliveries tied to a multi-billion peso flood control corruption case. Siya yung pinaniwalaan ng marami. Pero ngayon, bumalik siya sa publiko after months of disappearing at binaon niya ang lahat ng sinabi niya. Kasi hindi lang siya nag-recant. Sinabi niya na sina Marcoleta at Defensor ang nag-tap sa kanya. Meaning, pinagawa daw siya ng accusation against Romualdez. Hindi siya nagsalita dahil sa katotohanan. Pinagawa daw siya. So the original testimony wasn't evidence. It was, according to Gutesa himself, a script. Kung totoo ito, isang buong political hit job ang nabunyag sa harap natin. If you want to keep track of what's actually happening behind the headlines, subscribe. We sort fact from gulo every day. Kasi yung akala mong testigo, baka siya pa yung pinakamalaking plot twist.